Hello everyone, this is RJ Kanishan Bedang speaking, and I'll be presenting to you guys our audit of the VOW CMS. So first, let's discuss the login and authentication that they have in their system. They have the super admin login wherein you have to be required to have your own unique username, password, and of course, yung kinagandahan ng system nila na may function is the verification code na talagang napansin namin. And ayan, makikita niyo dito sa screenshot, they have the super admin login email and also the verification of it. And talagang na-secure niya yung paggamit nung system nila. But then, the first time that we have tried yung verification code nila or gumawa kami ng account, ayun lang, medyo natagalan yung pagbibigay ng verification code. Siguro dahil na rin sa setup na sa school nga sa DOST laboratory, nabagal yung signal. So, ayun lang yung downside na nakikita namin about their verification code. But then again, sobrang laki and helpful nitong verification code na mayroon sa system nila. And ayun lang 'no, our recommendation is maintain the secure login process but optimize email or siguro 'no kapag tumagal or lumago pa 'tong, vowsy na gagamitin sa barangay is magkaroon tayo na instead of using, email verification, let's have an SMS verification code through phone numbers, ayun. And that's it for our audit of their login. Thank you.